Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So I think this is probably the first video I am filming in 2021. I hope that you had an amazing new year as much as you could, because it's definitely, things are weird right now, and yeah. Anyways, definitely different. So I finally received my November, my Manny box. I feel like this is pretty late for getting the November one. So I'm hoping that the December one is on its way, because normally I would get this in December for this one. So I was kind of surprised that I got it today, but it is here and I'm excited because it's a kitty box. And if you follow me on my Instagram and stuff, you'll know that I love cats and I have one of my own. So here is November's my Manny box, and it says kitten weather. So let's see what is inside this box. Alright, so here is the little card here. So November 2020, kitten weather, and there's all these cute little kittens on there. So cute. Alright, so it looks like we have a bunch of different things in here. Let's start with this one. Obviously a nail polish, so I'm thinking it's the Muyu London. Yes, so we've got a Muyu London nail lacquer, and this is a stamping polish, and this is called Jet Black. This is a full-size stamping polish, and it goes for $11.99 on their website. I think I have this one, but you can always use more blacks because I'm pretty sure I've used it up already, or it's getting close. But yeah, so this one is a Jet Black, and it is written somewhere. I think it is. Yeah, so there is a sticker here, but the writing is in black, so you can't actually see it. I don't know why they did that, but yeah, so this is the Muyu London stamping plate, or stamping polish. Alright, so it looks like we have another polish in here. So this one is the A England one. So you could have got two. I think it's actually Avebury, I think. So you could have got this one, and then there was a different one for the shorter nail box, but I like this. This is pretty. So it's kind of like, I don't know, like a silvery gray with like a nice pinky red shimmer to it, and it's got lots of sparkles in there, if you can see that. There we go. But it looks really nice. So this one is $11 American if you're buying it off the Beautometry website. So that is kind of what it looks like. Looks very shimmery and kind of opalescent in a way. So that is the A England nail polish. I'm not sure if this stamps, but that would be pretty cool if it did. I don't know if it says anything. Nope, but it is worth a try because I think that would be a really pretty stamping polish. Alright, and we've got two nail art glitter pots, which I don't always end up using these, but these are the glitter pots. They're nice, but again, I'm not usually a fan of these because I don't put a lot of glitters on my nail. I just use actual glitter polish, but these are $2 each, so those are the glitter pots. Alright, let's get into our package. It says I get a special gift. I'm wondering if this special gift is in here. Oh, those are from Beautometry, by the way. Ugh. And I know that these are going to be cats. Alright. Is this our special gift, maybe? Let's leave that till last. Alright, so we've got the Crazy Cat Lady, and these are from Muyu London. I think I have something from Cat Lady. And look! We got all the cats! So this one is number 12, and it's so cute. It says, here is where my cat is. Life is better with cats. Obviously that's true. And this one is $9.99 American on the website, and then that's what it looks like on the back. So cute. And then we've got this one here, and this one is a number 11, so it's got different things. This is my happy face. I just hate everyone. I think that's probably from like the Grumpy Kitty. Impress me, human. Cats rule. So cute. I love it. And then again, it has the cat back on there. Very cute. Alright, and let's see what is in here. So this, I have no idea what this is. It's wrapped up very tightly. What is our special gift? It's a stamping plate for sure. Oh, so this is a special gift. This is from shaydelaney.com. It's Dental 007, which is made in Europe. It looks like it's like a lace stamping plate. It's a different one. I've definitely never heard of this brand before. But yeah, so that is, I believe that's our special gift, and it's from Beautometry and from that brand. So I'll have to check out this brand. I've never heard of them before. So I think that's the special gift. But because everything else I have got on my card, as you can see. But yeah, so you'll be expecting some cat manis from me hopefully soon, once I kind of get back into things. I've really been kind of slacking, but things have been really busy, and I just, with work and everything, I don't always feel like coming home and doing my nails. I've kind of been exhausted. I guess that's what life is like, living in a pandemic. So anyways, as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.